my channel. It's another day, another vlog, and right now I'm heading out. I'm going to a birthday party for my bestie's daughter, and I know we are going to have fun. I don't know how I'm looking. You can rate my looking, guys. Anyway, that's the look of the day. Hope sijachoma. Anyway, guys, see you later. Bye. Oh my god, guys, this place is so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Just look at the environment. We are having fun. And it's the rooftop, imagine. So guys, we are here at Elmo Homes in Kiamunye. We are here for my bestie's daughter's birthday. I don't know if I said that correct. For my best friend's daughter's birthday. And this place, guys, is so beautiful. So I really love it. I'm so much in love with it, guys. And I hope you're going to have fun. Let's see how it's going. actually this the next day. We got home pretty late last night, and I was so tired I couldn't even close the vlog. Otherwise, we enjoyed our day yesterday. The birthday was so nice and we had fun. So today I don't think that I'm going to go to church because of course I woke up late and I have some laundry to fold, that because my cleaning lady came yesterday and she cleaned all my laundry, and now today I have to fold them, so I won't be going to church. Anyway guys, right now I want to take my breakfast, then I'll catch up with you later guys, or maybe if I don't catch up, if I decide to close this vlog here, then I'll see you next time, but I might catch up with you later. So see you later. So guys, for dinner I decided to make chapati, and it's a simple recipe that you might also use, and the only ingredients that I used were the ajab unga, because I really like it. You use your flour, depends on you, and add sugar, little bit of salt and oil. That is the main ingredient, that you mix oil with your unga before you add hot water. For your soft chapatis, you have to use hot water for you to have that good result. But anyway guys, I made it with some beans because it really goes well with beans and some cabbages, and I'll do a video of its own guys, so just hope you enjoy it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna